Start by lifting the heels. Faster if you can, but make it right for you. The toes stay on the ground, really working through the feet. Lift the heels as high as is comfortable. So it might just be here. If that's all you can manage, as long as you're beginning to feel the thighs working, that's good. Well done. Try and keep those hips as level as possible so we're not sticking them out to the side. Let's make that into a march. So you can make it really small if you want, or make it bigger. Well done. Tap behind. So lean forward slightly, try and avoid arching your back too much. So it's only a small move. Well done. Stay facing me, I'm just turning sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Let's toe back to that jogger's walk. Well done. Keeping those toes on the ground, lifting the heels as high as is comfortable. And again, it could be all the way up or it could be really small. Work with your body. Knees should be coming straight forward. Take it to a march. So as high as is comfortable. So you could take it really high, or you could make it small. Let's take the legs out to the side, so we're tapping out. Tap out. Well done. Well done. Back to the jogger's walk. If you want to make it harder, you can add some arms. Maybe up. If you really want to work hard, take the arms high. I'm just going to take them in front for today. Take it to a march. You can keep the arms going if you want, or relax them. I'm going to relax mine. Toe tap in front. Point. Stay facing me again. Let's take the right foot only. Forward, side, behind, knee lift. Change sides. Forward, side, behind, knee lift. Change. Last one. Catch the beat. We're going to go into side steps. Make sure you've got enough space to go 2 steps to the right. Let's take single steps for now. So if you need to do a small step, take it across to this side. Tapping the toe across in front. So arms swing gently, shoulders are relaxed, well done. Head lifted. Think about pulling your tummy back where you'd like it to be. Take it back to normal side step. Well done. Let's swim with the arms, 2 steps, swim, and pull, swim, pull back, swim, pull back. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see what I'm doing. Pull back, swim, pull back, swim, pull back. Hold it here, single steps, relax those shoulders. We're going to go back to those double side steps. Stay facing me, but I'm going to turn so you can see a little bit what I'm doing this time. So 2 steps. I'm trying to keep the hands about shoulder height, so touch your shoulders, reach forward if you can. If that doesn't work, make it smaller, do what feels right for you. Well done. So that's hurting your ankles, keep it smaller. Back to single side steps, relax the arms. Think about pulling your belly in again. Keep breathing. Most important thing, keep breathing. You're gonna fall over otherwise. Well done. Tapping that toe across in front. Challenging your balance slightly by taking that foot across. Well done. Side step. Some of these pieces of music seem to have odd beats. Sure, it's not me. Let's do 2 steps. And pull. Pull. Stay the same with the arms. This time forward. Well done.